What is up guys? तो मेरी फ्रेंड है अमुक्ता. She sent me a post that her battalion is doing a challenge in which you have to vlog your day, your complete day. You will get up early in the morning, you will do exercise, you will eat healthy, and you will go back to bed at time. This is only to create awareness in the youth to exercise and to have a good daily routine plus eating healthy. So I did it. I woke up at 5 a.m. So the challenge has few activities. The exercise included 10 push-ups, 25 squats, 10 crunches and 20 lunges. Drinking 5 liters of water, eating healthy and eating a fruit snack during the day, and also eating healthy meals and having a light dinner. So to start off morning, I woke up at 5. I drank water and I went to the terrace to finish the exercise routine. I went up, did basic full body stretching, did the exercises, and then came back onto the breakfast part. In the breakfast, I had oats, a sandwich with boiled potatoes, and a cup of coffee. I had it at around 7 in the morning. So at around 9 I slept. I was really sleepy. I was editing the vlog. I was trying to edit the vlog, but I couldn't do it. I was trying to find the right song. Even right now I haven't found a song which I think will actually suit the video. So I just have 2-3 songs. I'll see which one will end up in the last. I woke up at 5 and I slept at 3:30. I had slept at 3 in the morning. So I was tired. Not tired, I was sleepy. So I slept for 1.5 hours. I woke up at 10 and then I was hungry. I was again on the quest of finding the song, but I was hungry. So instead of having the fruit snack later in the day, I had it in the morning. I ate mangoes and that's it. Then lunch. Usually I don't do lunch. It's like I do late breakfast and early dinners, 2 meals a day. That was the schedule during lockdown. But today I had sandwiches again. Mind you, these were healthy sandwiches. These were made with boiled potatoes and whole wheat bread. And while in class, I ate sandwiches and another cup of coffee. When I was eating, I couldn't shoot because I was in the class. After that, I again went to editing. I had drank 3 liters of water. I drank 1 liter of water before sleeping. I slept at 3. I keep my bottle with me all the time and I keep drinking throughout the day. Yeah, I drank 1 liter for sleeping and 2 liters till that point of time. Now it was time for dinner. It was written that the dinner should be light. I had a light dinner but also a early dinner. At 7:30 I was done with the dinner. I had sabzi, roti and kada, that halwa. Yeah, we call it halwa in Hindi, kada in Punjabi. I was not able to shoot that also because of this bad bird right here. I edited half of the vlog. After every edit I do, like if I put a cut, I save the project because this crashes a lot. I was saving all the way through. It didn't crash in the morning, like 3-4 times only, but after the group discussion part, it crashed like 15 times, 12 to 15 times. And after that, when I was opening the project, it wasn't rendering. So I had to delete the project and I had to re-edit all of that. Because of that, this our talking part was also delayed. And I was hungry and I was frustrated. So I just forgot to shoot. We are done with 3 liters of water, 3 meals, healthy meals, 1 fruit snack, 4th liter of water is going on. Exercise is done, and I will finish 5th bottle of water before going to sleep, because editing this will take time, that I know. So let's see, what do you think about this vlog? Jai Hind.